Hello, my name is Lunas Vigolitani Musa. So today I want to review about this book. So this book has a title Sang Patriot, Kisah Seorang Pahlawan Revolusi. So the author of this book is non-fiction. Number of pages is 367, and the difficulty of this book is 5. This book have a type biography book. Subject in this book is tell story of a revolutionary hero named Pierre Tendian, who has member of Indonesian National Army, who died in J30 SPKI incident. At the time, he served as adjutant in the Great General Abdul Haris Nasution. This incident occurred in the city of Jakarta, or rather we call Crocodile Hole or Lubang Buaya. And then why I choose this book? Absolutely the reason why I choose this book is because I really like reading books, especially book with military and war and genres that tell about military war. I choose to read this book entitled The Patriot because I also like explore history. This book explains how about the hero is born, then explain the detail of life story and journey of a hero of Indonesian Revolution named Pierre Tendian until he died in very inhuman condition. I think this book is very good and interesting to read because this book has a language very easy to understand, and also it makes feel like we are in the story. This book is also very useful for me. That wonder, I'm a military lover and I'm inspired to be a member of military. I also feel many benefits after reading this book, including this book can motivate me in life and the Dharma. Visual pity for the country is very noble thing. These two books teach me to love for the homeland that must be cultivated and applied in the real life. These three books motivate me to always be grateful to have life in the peaceful country of Indonesia. The last benefit that I got after reading this book, book reminds me of the dark event of the Indonesian nation, which this event must be remembered all time. And then the explanation of this book is this book is entitled The Patriot, the story of the revolutionary hero. Explain about the biography of revolutionary hero who died in gripping event who called with J30 SPKI. The hero name is Pierre Tendian. This book is explain the detail about his biography. Pierre Andres Tendian, or what we usually know as Pierre Tendian, is the Indonesian National Army who has very devoted in the country. In the book, we are explaining about Pierre's childhood. Pierre was born in Batavia, February 21, 1939. Born in the war, Pierre's father, who has a doctor, often helped heroes who are injured in the war because that incident made some sense of patriotism since childhood because he was an eyewitness. Pierre is indeed known as a stubborn child. Is also easy to get along with because he really likes to play in the mud and puddles, and he likes to his body is dirty because the mud is stick to his clothes. His sadly causing face because he often called a colonial nation. When he heard that Pierre was always angry because he is an Indonesian people who love his country. He doesn't want to be called a colonizer because Pierre's body and souls are only for Indonesia. Pierre's steps to military world are not easy because his mother want Pierre Tendian to follow his father's footsteps to become a doctor and study at the university. Or Pierre doesn't want to be a doctor. His mother suggests becoming an engineer, but Pierre remained to his steadfast. In the school is becoming a member of the military. Pierre's initial task was to become intelligence officer who served in neighboring countries such as Singapore, until when General Nasution lost his head Pierre. He was finally appointed adjutant of the General Nation. Pierre had actually applied for leave on September 30th at 3 p.m. Then the next day Pierre would attend his mother's birthday. Maria Elizabeth is her mother. Pierre plans to return to Semarang on October 1 in the morning. Maria Elizabeth is one Pierre come to home, but Pierre no longer come to Semarang to attend his mother's birthday because on the night of October, Pierre was kidnapped and died in the J30 SPKI incident. And then my general opinion about this book is I feel that I should be able to love my country, namely Indonesian people. This book is touched me to feel that the hero struggle at time was harder than my current struggle. This book is make me always excited to do all good things and also remind me to always focus on living and to achieve what I aspire to. This book makes us remember to dark history in Indonesian nation. This story, the nation of the sheet information into Indonesian side, so that by reading this understanding into history in Indonesian nation, we can cultivate the seed of the sense. We as the younger generation are obligated to learn and remember history. This book teach me to always patient and the loyalty to our superior. We must apply a sense enthusiasm, loyalty, dedication, or daily activities. The part of this book is support me on the passion when we aspire under education to become a soldier. That he focused on the goal that was a mess for me and this tenacity. This book is make me grateful to Indonesia in its current era because it's safe and peaceful. It's fitting for us to appreciate the service heroes by remembering and not forgetting history. Okay, next is about what did I like best about this book. What I like most about this book is the time when the story told Pierre Anderstandian was studying become a Indonesian military, and also when he was carrying out his initial duties until his final assignment, which in the book has been explained clearly. When he took that very heavy education, he does not even complain about what he is facing. He always focus and always his strong Corsa soul that gives birth to very strong sincere partisans in his life, which not easy to other people like me. However, that determination Pierre was able to take his education smoothly it's very pretty good, and after at the time when he carries out the duties is also focused and tasks assigned and responsibles to Pierre. Pierre has committed the task in the honor because the task must be completed and disciplined responsibles and all kinds conditions they face. Even at the time Pierre's assignment at the time, he showed his loyalty to Nation General as squad. At the time, Pierre had actually finished his tenure and took time off to attend her birthday of his mother, Maria Elizabeth. Although supposedly on this night of 1 October night, Pierre was not on duty, but he still dared to ask Cakrabirawa troop, which considered of more than people. The sense of the church patriotism, loyalty, persistence, and responsibility that are written of this book are the things I like most. And then next, why did you like this? I think I speak plainly and honestly that the fact of this book is indeed very good and there are almost no flaws. But still, the name of written works or books must have shortcomings. According to my search, I have read this book carefully The part I think is lacking at the time of reading is in the plot and the squishing of event. This is very confusing for me, and he has made many times about it because this book there are few events that are described that are not ordered at the time of this event, which should be continuous in event and the event. But this book, in the first explanation about the government police, educated that there are a lot of them and I don't quite understand, such as using too many Roman numerals in my opinion, because what I found in this book is mostly what's been discussed, and there are 3 Roman number will be discussed again in the next chapter. So it took me a long time to read this book. The last one is drawing picture. I think my opinion about this book is the picture should be placed in every chapter, but in this book the pictures are displayed and irregular. Sometimes there are sometimes very are not. Sometimes it makes me less interested. But all of the things that I don't like it. Overall, this book is my favorite book. So I really like it too, and can judge to shortcoming of this book. I'm sorry. And then what is your favorite quotation in this book? Okay, the quote that I like in the most, this biographical book, the revolutionary hero in When is the Pierre was asked about this college at the Pierre, which are its men. Why did Pierre want to plead to give himself to the state? But Pierre loudly answered him out that all this time his will had been obtained from the state. Then what is time for me to belong at the state and devote myself to the state? So that is my favorite quote in this book. And then I read this book is a great book. So I give 4 star in this book. Okay, at the end, would you recommend this book to reading to your friend, and then why? So yes, I really recommend this book to read by my friends. Why? It is because this book is not just a history book that we usually read in the school, but this book was in tone touch, so that this book has our impression when he read by the reader. I recommend this book to my friend. It is because it is a very useful book to read, because we not only get happy for those who like to read this book, but if we read this book we will also get historical knowledge. This is so useful for ourselves, as we know that a great nation is a nation that appreciates the service of the heroes. Therefore, by reading this book, we will remember and not forget the dark history that has occurred in Indonesian nation. This book is also written based on the true stories and stories that actually happened, that the character do truth and the goodness. By reading this book, we will be motivated and always diligent, discipline, and carrying out obligations, and embracing of the sense of responsibility for what has been entrusted to us, having a sense of the patriotism, defending and the country, persistent and our loyalty, which are all these traits have we cultivate early on. It will bear sweet fruit on our future. Therefore, we as young people of Indonesian nation will become a next generation, and the nation should be read books that are useful, also have something to do with the Indonesian people. Because personally, I think this science now, many young people have started to lose their sense of nationalism and love their homeland. So highly I recommend this book to read. So that's all for me. Sorry if I have mistake in my language. I'm sorry.